Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Always driven here, your fellow car enthusiast and new YouTuber as far as being in the car scene. I've been an enthusiast for a while, actually a very long time. Can't say a while when it's been over a decade and a half. So I just want to show you my daily driver and show you what what I plan to do with the car, why I got it, and see if it's good. I mean, I know a lot of people have done these videos before as far as this particular vehicle, but I think everybody has their own unique way of how they drive their vehicle and how they want it done. So I'll just introduce you to my vehicle, and then in future videos I'll show you what I plan on doing with the car. I will show you the interior this time, but I'll also make more videos on what I plan on doing with the car and why. So without further ado, here is Isabel. 2020 WRX, 6-speed, obviously. If you get to automatic, you're probably a fool. I like this car. I really do. It's growing on me. This is my first Subaru. And to be honest, it's probably one of the funnest cars I've driven. And I was a Honda guy for a while. And I actually traded in my 2020 SI for this car. Reason being is that it's fun to drive for sure. Don't get me wrong, I love driving a Civic. I just kind of wanted more power, and with the amount of driving that I do to drive to work every day, which my job is like a couple hundred miles away, I kind of wanted to get something with a little more power. And right now, so far, I'm pushing about 300 horses in here, I think. I haven't got a dyno tune yet just to make it official, but I am stage 1 currently with the access port and the intake. Haven't gotten an exhaust yet, which I plan on doing. I don't want it too loud, but I am going to get something that gives me a little bit more of a drone, a little bit more, not too loud, but something that's nice that I can listen to while I'm driving. So here's the interior. I haven't done too much to the interior, just your basic, forgive the mess, it is snowing out here. It's 25 degrees. Well, it's not snowing, but it has been. Basic interior that you've seen in every Subaru. I just barely got this mod here, so as you can see, I had it mounted here previously, like in a day or so. I haven't got a chance to clean it, but your basic run-of-the-mill WRX. I was gonna use these accents here. I do plan on taking them off. I don't know, I think the sun kills the color. They were a lot better before. So I think I plan on taking those off and just keeping it bare black. This, I've seen people change, but I don't think I'm going to change that because I plan on getting the carbon fiber little look here just to kind of match this. I kind of did that with my Civic Si, so I'm not really worried about taking this off. I'd rather just match it because it's going to be cheaper anyway and less of a hassle for now. But yeah, I got a shift knob from racing. This thing is weighted, so it's awesome to kind of fall into gear with this. I do plan on getting a short shifter soon. And I do got the Alcantara shift boot, which I need to vacuum and kind of spruce up a bit because it is perfect. I had something a little cheaper before with my first shift boot. It was like a Breed shift boot. It was tacky. So I just said, you know what, I'm just go with what everybody else has because this is a lot neater and it looks better. So yeah, so this is basically the interior. I haven't done too much. I do plan on changing these seats here. I'm not gonna keep these stock seats for a while because I do plan on keeping the car and possibly making it a track car, and once I get another car after this one. As you can see, the engine's doing well under stage 1. I would definitely recommend the stage 1 tune. It'll definitely help with the gearing and the shifting and everything like that. And nothing really in the back seat. I do Uber on the side, as far as when I want to get my driving in. why not get paid for it? You know, that's my motto. So I do Uber on the side with it, and people do, you know, ask a lot of questions on how you drive manual and stuff like that, and why, or whatever. But they like it. I usually get tips, you know, after I drop them off, because I get them there in a good fashion, and I drive really well. It helps me focus when I got somebody I have to drive for, and it helps me, you know, do a lot better as far as shifting and not moving the car, jerking it as much. So yeah, if you got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. This is going to be my daily driver. I do plan on doing some cool things with this car, but you can you know, join me on the journey, you know, doing some crazy mods to this car. It's not going to be a whole lot of mods. It's going to be more cosmetic now. I think I got the power I want. I'm just going to get the Cobb exhaust, but I got the power I want, so I don't think I'm going to do too much more with power, because I still want to keep it reliable. And I do plan on doing some cosmetics. Might get a wing here. Well, ain't no might, I will. Vortex generator, because I do want this to be a good track car. So, and I might change the hood, but I'm still contemplating that. But you gotta just leave a comment, subscribe. I will be making more videos like this, and yeah, you know, let me know how you like the video. Thanks.